Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Chainlink cryptocurrencies. So before starting this video, I request you to please subscribe our YouTube channel for more this kind of videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing our channel. Let's see the live price prediction of Chainlink cryptocurrencies of last 1 hour. You are watching now the live price prediction of cryptocurrencies Chainlink. It's loading. Please subscribe now. Please click the subscribe button now and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much for subscribing us. Oh my god, it's a very bad day for all cryptocurrencies Chainlink holders. As you can see here, the negative change, negative 0.69% change is in the Chainlink cryptocurrencies, and the high change, oh my god, high change is very high. As you can see here, $27.7 is the high change in the Chainlink cryptocurrencies. And you are watching now the live price prediction of 24 March 2021, and that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour, as you can see here. So that is the live price prediction of Chainlink cryptocurrencies. Again, I'm showing you on the graph, as you can see here on the graph. At this time, Chainlink is on the top, as you can see here, $27.7 rate at this time. But after this time, they again falls down, as you can see here, and very badly falls down, as you can see here, very badly falls down after this period, and they again grows up and they again start to move to upward, as you can see here, upward. After this time, they again falls down, as you can see here, and now they are continuously falls downing, as you can see on the graph. So that is the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more this kind and latest news. Thank you so much.